really tell you how to do it. I can only describe how I did it. Find somewhere comfortable. Rest your eyes. Concentrate on your breathing. You are connected to all that exists. I am empowered to travel wherever I wish to go.
So, astral projection allows you to contact spirits who aren't in our world.
I don't think you should be messing around with that.
Why exactly you want to try?
I only wanted to look into that world to find my mum.
Your mother is not him, but something else is.
Film it. See if you could actually move something in a room.
Astral attempt number 2.
It doesn't make any sense. Surely you can't record your own spirit.
It felt like a dream, but it was so real.
Don't believe everything you're about to see. Ab insidious diaboli, libera nos domine. Ecclesiam tuam securitatis facies, libertates. With the Father, and the Holy Spirit. You brought something here with you.